Welcome to Be Wellness Wise. I bet you didn't know how easy and rewarding growing garlic can be. Today, we're talking about garlic, one of my favorite crops to grow. It's not just a staple in the kitchen, but also a joy to cultivate. Garlic is easy to plant and care for, making it perfect for beginners. With just a little effort, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest. It's a hardy plant that can thrive in various climates. Whether you live in a temperate or a more extreme environment, garlic can adapt and flourish. I've been growing garlic in my garden for over a decade, and the joy never fades. Each season brings a new sense of accomplishment. There's nothing quite like harvesting your own fresh garlic, bursting with flavor. The aroma and taste are unparalleled. It's incredibly satisfying to use garlic you've nurtured from clove to bulb in your cooking. Imagine the pride of adding your homegrown garlic to your favorite dishes. The key to successful garlic growing is all in the timing and preparation. Ensuring the soil is well prepared and planting at the right time are crucial steps. Let's dive into the steps to get your garlic patch started. From selecting the right cloves to planting and nurturing them, we'll cover everything you need to know for a successful harvest. Before we plant, we need to prepare our garlic cloves. Choose a high-quality garlic bulb from a garden center or farmer's market. Avoid using garlic from the supermarket, as it's often treated to prevent sprouting. Gently peel away the outer layers of the bulb, but don't remove the papery skin covering each clove. Separate the cloves, ensuring they're plump and firm. Discard any cloves that are soft, discolored, or damaged. Now that we've got our cloves ready, it's time to choose our planting method: containers or raised beds. Let's explore both. Container gardening is an excellent option for growing garlic if you have limited space or prefer a more controlled environment. Choose a container that's at least 6 inches deep and has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Fill your container with a well-draining potting mix. A mix of compost, peat moss, and perlite works well. Garlic thrives in loose, fertile soil. Water the soil thoroughly before planting. Now we're ready to plant our garlic cloves. Let's move on to the planting process. Once your garlic is planted, it's crucial to protect it through the winter months, especially in colder climates. Apply a generous layer of mulch around your garlic plants, leaving a small space around the stem. Mulch acts as a blanket, insulating the soil and protecting the garlic from freezing temperatures. Straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips make excellent mulch options. Watering is also essential, especially during dry spells. Garlic needs consistent moisture to thrive, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to rot. Check the soil moisture regularly and water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Section 5. Raised bed preparation. Creating the ideal garlic bed. In this section, we will guide you through the steps to create the perfect environment for growing garlic in raised beds. If you have more space and prefer a traditional gardening approach, raised beds are a fantastic way to grow garlic. Raised beds offer better drainage, improved soil structure, and easier access for planting and harvesting. Choose a sunny location for your raised bed, as garlic needs at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. The more sunlight your garlic receives, the better it will grow, leading to larger and more flavorful bulbs. Build your raised bed using untreated wood or another suitable material. Untreated wood is preferred because it doesn't contain chemicals that could leach into the soil and harm your plants. You can also use materials like stone or metal, depending on your garden's aesthetic and your personal preference. Fill the bed with a loose, fertile soil mix, similar to the container mix we discussed earlier. This type of soil ensures good drainage and provides the nutrients garlic needs to thrive. You can enhance the soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure. Now, let's prepare the soil for planting our garlic. Make sure the soil is well aerated and free of large clumps or debris. This will help the garlic roots to establish more easily. We'll be using a no-dig method, which is gentle on the soil structure and beneficial for soil organisms. This method helps maintain the natural ecosystem within the soil, promoting healthier plant growth and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Section 6. Planting in raised beds. A no-dig approach. The no-dig method is a simple yet effective way to plant garlic. Instead of tilling or digging the soil, we'll be creating planting holes directly into the undisturbed bed. Using a trowel or your hands, make planting holes about 2 to 3 inches deep and 6 inches apart. Place 1 garlic clove in each hole, pointed end up. Gently cover the cloves with soil, ensuring they're completely buried. Water the bed thoroughly to settle the soil and encourage root growth. Section 7. Winterizing your garlic, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Just like with container-grown garlic, it's crucial to protect your raised bed garlic from winter's chill. Apply a thick layer of mulch around your plants, leaving a small space around the stems. This layer of mulch will insulate the soil, preventing it from freezing and thawing repeatedly, which can damage the garlic roots. Continue watering your garlic during dry spells, checking the soil moisture regularly. With proper winter care, your garlic will be well on its way to a bountiful harvest next summer. Section 8. Recap and final tips. Your garlic growing journey begins. Growing garlic is a rewarding experience that connects you to the earth and provides you with a versatile ingredient for your kitchen. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps towards growing your own delicious garlic. This journey is not just about planting and harvesting, it's about nurturing and understanding the growth process. Remember to choose high-quality cloves, as the quality of your garlic starts with the seed. Select firm, plump cloves that are free from disease and blemishes. Prepare your planting site well, ensuring the soil is loose and well-drained. Garlic thrives in rich, fertile soil, so consider adding compost or well-rotted manure to boost nutrients. Provide adequate mulch and water. Mulching helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and protect your garlic from extreme temperatures. Water consistently, but avoid overwatering to prevent rot. Here are a few final tips for success. Pay attention to the spacing of your cloves. Plant them about 6 inches apart to give each bulb room to grow. Plant your garlic in the fall, about 4 to 6 weeks before the first frost. This timing allows the cloves to establish roots before winter sets in. Fertilize your garlic in the spring with a balanced fertilizer. This will support healthy growth and development, ensuring your plants have the nutrients they need. Harvest your garlic when the lower leaves start to brown and dry out. This indicates that the bulbs have matured and are ready to be pulled from the ground. With a little care and attention, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest of flavorful garlic. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor the taste of homegrown garlic in your favorite dishes. Section 9. Join the garlic growing community. Share your success. Growing garlic is a rewarding experience, and it's even better when shared with others. Join a local gardening club, connect with fellow gardeners online, and share your garlic growing journey. Have any tips or tricks for growing garlic? We'd love to hear them. Share your experiences in the comments below and subscribe for more gardening adventures. Happy gardening!